Hello, teacher. How much is that item? In my store, we found this TV. It's $60. This bicycle, it's $80. Excuse me. These blankets, they are $50 each one. This cookery, it's $35. These spoons, they are $2 each one. This cup, they are $2 each. This stove, it's $50. This radius, it's $40. These chairs, they are $20 each one. And this room came on $100. Thank you. Bye.